Okay, and then many of you know Anya plays volleyball very well. May na siya. So mag-volleyball gani, iyang kontra hatlop na sa iyang drop ball. No, dyan na.
Okay, mama is
Although I wanted her to
si Mama.
pursue with volleyball, but in laylo man siya ka ng grabe kaya physical activity yun. So, di lang ako siya kukson, but hita mong volleyball player, may yun si Anya, believe it. Okay? And then, si Anya, she's the pacifier of the family. Sa ilang tulong kami nagsuon, o si Isa, o si Anya, o si Isa, o si Nicole, paano sila mag-generate na sila palagsa. But si Anya is best friend to Isa, and she's also best friend to Nicole. Muna din na. So siya mag-gapos na sila na maayos ang band. Si Nicole, I love you, Ate Anya. Siya sa inyo sa inyo, I love you, Ate Nicole. So, tinood na siya si Anya is very sweet. She is very sweet niya. Kuan yun siya she is very, so, concentrate siya sa iyang lola. Ako isang tawag na, pagluha ni siya sa iyang lola. And sa physical, sa kakomedyante, the daughter that Annabelle never had. Mula siya anak ni Annabelle. Tinood yun na sa iyang humor, iyang kakomedyante. Okay, so, Anya, 18 na ka na. So, that means it's the stage of adulthood. Now, I want you to know that it's a wide world out there, crazy, but at the same time, it's wonderful and nice, so you just enjoy your freedom. And si Anya, daghan jud kayo siya of friends, which is very friendly, and I'm very glad na kanang ang iyang circle of friends, even iyang mga teachers, masud sa niya. Okay, kung man siya, warm man siya o personality. Okay, and then today on your birthday, Pagka, I would just like to say a prayer that God will grant you your heart's desires. May you be successful in whatever you want in your life, and may you always have peace and peace of mind and a full heart, and I want you to enjoy life, and whatever you want, you will succeed in whatever you would want to be in your life. So again, Pagka, I know, just know that you are loved by your cousins, by your aunties, your uncles, your family, no? Nasipit tanan, sa Lera, sa mga langlimas po. Okay? Again, I would like to say that I'm very proud to be your mother. I love you, Pagka. Happy birthday.